How to redeem PlayStation codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem code on PlayStation in 3 different ways, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are on console, just turn on your PlayStation console and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, select users and accounts, and on here you want to make sure you're under the accounts tab. Select the option called payments and subscriptions, and once you do so, just select the option called redeem codes, and on the next specific page you'll be able to successfully redeem your codes on PlayStation. The other process is on your web browser, so go to playstation.com and then click on your profile icon on the top right and just select the option called redeem code. Once you do so, you can enter the code from your browser as well, or else you can simply do it from your mobile application. So in that case, what you can do is just turn on your mobile phone, open the PlayStation app, then tap on the PS icon from the bottom, tap on the three lines from the top right, and then here you can select the option called redeem code. Once you tap on the redeem code option, you can simply enter a new code that you have and then simply go ahead and then redeem them in that way. That's all it takes to redeem codes on PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.